Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and hello Miss Lia. Welcome in our video again. My name is Dika Bimanyu.
My name is Muhammad Derajat Abdullah. Today we will read the dialogue about heavy rain and flooding.
And this is video I will be a Joe.
And I will be Tim.
So enjoy the video and let's go.
Joe, where are you going in such a hurry?
Did you hear? The weather report is predicting heavy rain and severe flooding in our area.
No, I didn't hear that. I haven't watched the news in a few days.
I'm heading to the store to buy sandbag.
Sandbags? Why?
To stop the water from entering my house, you should do something.
I think I'll just evacuate if that happens.
I can't do that. I need to stay here with all of my animals.
You don't have any place to take them.
No, I need to make sure they are safe.
Do you need help loading the sandbags into your truck?
That will be great. Aren't you worried at all?
I guess I should be, but every time the weather person says something terrible is going to happen, it never does.
Well, I'm not risking it this time.
No, you have me worried.
You should be.